Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a pretty nippy cold evening in Los Angeles. It's been beautiful though. It's very crisp and very clear and all the little lights are twinkling, so it's kind of awesome. Last week we did a pour that was really a lot of fun. It was a transparent base coat on top of some stencils and I really enjoyed it. I had a great time with some koi. It was a lot of fun. That one was called Balance. I'll link it for you up here in case you missed it. We're going to do the same thing tonight. This is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artist Loft. I have pre-painted the sides and edges and the surface black, and I've taped and pinned it. I have also put a stencil on here. This is some bamboo that I think is really, really beautiful. I got the stencil from Amazon, and I have used my Golden's Glass bead gel with this amazing TriArt liquid mirror, which we used in the last one in Balance. It was really awesome how it was so blingy, and just I want to play with it some more. So we're going to kind of do the same thing tonight. We're going to do a blowout with some awesome colors on top of this black base. So let me show you the colors real quick. The first one is that liquid mirror from TriArt. Awesome stuff. Very, very cool. This is the high viscosity one, but it does also come in a fluid. So if you're doing blooms and stuff, you can use that one. You can find this stuff at www.fluidart.co. fluid-art.co. That's it. So this is the liquid mirror, and I have everything nice and thin. I actually thinned out leftovers from the last pour, so this is even thinner than last time. And my transparent base coat is even thinner too. So that's the liquid mirror. This one is the Lumiere by Jacquard in that halo blue gold. It's just so pretty. I love this. Every time I look at it, I'm like, oh my God. And we have some leftover DecoArt Jadeite, which is beautiful and just a gorgeous, gorgeous color. So this whole thing with the bamboo and the black kind of reminds me of those old black lacquer cabinets with the mother of pearl inlaid in them. And I think it's so pretty. So I'm really excited about this one. So that's that one. And then I also have my transparent base coat over here. This is just my regular pouring medium, thinned out a lot. So we'll show you. Hi, Teddy. Super thin tonight, leaving no mound. So the game plan is we're going to flood our canvas with our transparent base coat. We're going to lay down our colors and blow them out with my Makita Cordis Mini leaf blower, and hopefully we're going to create something amazing. So let me move these over for a minute. Let's flood the canvas. Okay, here we go. I'm going to pour a judicious amount on here. Not a lot, not too little. A little thin on this edge, but I think we're going to be okay. So, all right, let's get our colors back. All right, I want to start with that liquid mirror again because I really want that contrast between the black base and the liquid mirror. We're going to start over here. Ready, honey?
Uh-huh.
We're going to go this way. Okay, now we're going to come in with the halo blue gold, and I'm not going to put it directly on top of that. I'm going to put it on the other side of it. Ready, honey?
Uh-huh.
Okay, and we're going to do the same thing with this one. Ready? Now, I think I want to put one more line. No, I'm going to start with that. You can always add more. I'm going to use my Makita mini leaf blower that's cordless. All right. We're going to actually start this way and go this way first. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we go. That's cool. I'm going to go this way. Ready, honey?
Uh-huh.
You know, I think we're going to need a little bit more of the liquid mirror. I'm just going to put some on the other side of that jadeite. Starting over here. Ready, sweetheart?
Yep.
Okay. That's good. All right. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. That's looking pretty cool. Yeah, now we're gonna fiddle a little bit. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this in here. And a little bit along here. Okay. Let's do this side first. Ready, honey?
Huh?
Okay. Come over on this line. Ready? Yeah.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. What do you think, sweetheart?
Uh-huh.
I like what's happening up there. I just want to mix it a little bit this way. We're gonna go this way now, right in here. Ready?
Uh-huh.
We just need to do this bottom edge because I want that touching the edge. Ready? It doesn't want to go. It doesn't want to go.
Give it the power.
No, I think we're good. What do you think? Do you think it needs any more anywhere, or is it cool?
You want to push it away from that where it's touching the bamboo a little bit more?
Here?
Yeah.
No. Because I like that lacing and the...
Okay.
Do you think we should just get... That's driving me kind of nuts that it's not touching the bottom. Okay. That should do it. Hi, teddy bear. Ready?
Uh-huh.
That's better. Okay. All right. I'm liking what's happening. This sort of flow that we have going across with the two bamboo on either side. That's pretty cool looking. So let's torch this one more time. Okay. All right, that's looking pretty awesome. We will be right back with dried results. That's pretty neat. I didn't want to do that too much. That's cool. All right, cool. Okay, here we are with our dried results. This came out really, really cool. This was the liquid mirror, and on the stencils of the bamboo, we did the glass bead gel with the liquid mirror, and then we have the blowout featuring the Lumiere by Jacquard in that beautiful halo green gold or blue gold, and the Jadeite, and some more of the liquid mirror. Came out so pretty, some beautiful effects in here. I did fiddle a little bit more after we stopped shooting. Very, very happy with how this came out. Beautiful cells, beautiful lacing. I love the depth of color that we got. That Jadeite is just beautiful with the blue gold. Really, really pretty. Shall we do some tilting, HOA? Oh boy. Okay, tilt it towards the sun now a little bit. Whee! There we go. Okay, can you stay there for a second? A little bit more. Yeah, stay there. A little bit more. Just the tiniest bit that way. There we go. Okay, just stay right there. So interesting how, like, right here in this sunlight, the bamboo is really, really pale. HOA, come back towards me again. And then now they're like sterling silver again. So pretty. Can you tilt it this way now? Towards, okay. And a little bit up and down. Okay, there we go. Okay, back towards me. Very cool. Very cool. So this was a lot of fun. This one was awesome. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. And Joey wanted to show you Bobby. Hi, Bobby. Hi, sweet boy. We have all three kitties out in the catio. And Teddy is here with us with the painting with HOA. So say hi, Teddy Bear. Thanks so much for joining us. Hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. We'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye. Tilt around. Ooh, look at that bling. Wow, that's crazy. It's almost like it's like three-dimensional, right? Right there in the center. So crazy. Tilt again, hey? So neat. All right, awesome. See you guys later. Bye. Also known as Mr. Mutton Chop. Baby cat. You gotta leave. What's the matter, baby? Hi, little guy. His fur's grown back nice.